Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming the TV input and grabbing supplies, console power, HDMI, and any required audio cables. Plug the console into power and connect HDMI to the TV input labeled HDMI 1 or a free HDMI port. This sends both video and audio, simplifying setup. If you use an AV adapter or component, match colors exactly. Once connected, power on the TV and console so you can move to input selection and system configuration. This step ensures a clean signal path before. With the signal active, choose the correct TV input and turn on game mode to reduce latency for responsive play. On the console, open display settings and pick the highest resolution your TV supports, 4K when available, otherwise 1080p, because correct resolution improves clarity and reduces scaling artifacts. Then, configure audio. Use HDMI for simplicity, optical for separate receivers, or TV pass-through when using built-in speakers. Make sure refresh rate and HDR options match the TV. This prevents flicker and color mismatches. Finish by pairing controllers, signing into accounts, and installing system updates so games run correctly. Calibrate HDR and brightness to avoid washed out or dark images. Set aspect ratio to 16:9 to prevent stretching. If sound is missing, toggle audio output on the console and TV. If no picture appears, switch HDMI ports, try another HDMI cable, or boot the console in safe mode to reset display. These steps resolve most issues, so you can start playing with optimal visuals and audio.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.